Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about how to use variable and string together. For now, I'm gonna give a little example related to Facebook. So go ahead and make a variable called someone, and in someone variable we assign a name of user who sent a friend request to us. I'm gonna name it Bob. And make another variable called friend number equal to 30. That means I have 30 friends on Facebook. Now to print the value of someone, we know document dot write, and inside a parenthesis write someone. And we got Bob. But what if we want to use this name in a sentence? For that we use plus sign operator, also known as additional operator. After a plus sign, write has send friend request to you. That means Bob has sent friend request to you. And here we got a result what we expected. Now I'm gonna do same thing for another variable also. You have plus sign friend number plus sign friends. That means you have 30 friends. And here we got. For next example, I'm going to use both variables. Someone plus sign has plus sign friend number plus sign friends. And here we got. But in between 30 and friends, I think there is need of space. Now it look better. In last example, I'm gonna use variable only. And we got Bob 30. If you have any question, then let me know on the comment section. You can find playlist of JavaScript tutorial on description as well as in comment section. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future video from my channel.